Patrick, I wonder if we could lead off with a question around the journey that you've been on with technology, and whether you could describe the old way in which Konica Minolta was working with the field engineering teams around data capture, managing service delivery in the field, and the various different technologies that you were using, and the change that you've made over recent times.
Yeah, absolutely. Hi, Dave. And thanks a lot. So I should probably give some context to what Konica Minolta is. We in the field service operations have around 2,000 field service technicians across Europe that work for Konica Minolta in over 30 subsidiaries and local operations that we have. And we serve over 1 million customer assets across Europe. And those are mostly our office printing and commercial printing devices. So Konica Minolta is most renowned for its printing equipment. And we started on this journey of harmonizing and improving our field service systematically some years ago. And at that time, when we had a look at what we have in place in the countries, we had various different mobile solutions in place that the technicians would work with. We had countries where we would self-dispatch the technicians, and other countries where we would have a central dispatch and scheduling. We also had technicians that would already be carrying mobile devices and doing all their call administration and back reporting to us through mobile phones or smartphones. But at the same time, we also had countries where technicians would be going out just with laptops and doing all their call processing on these laptops, which was quite tedious. And it came together also with some of these mobile solutions being online solutions that would give us live feedback of what's happening in the field and how calls would be moving through call statuses in the field. And on the other end, we also had countries where these mobile solutions were offline solutions and only give us back status information about how our calls moved through the systems and through their statuses, and when we would arrive at customer site, what the technicians would be doing whenever they chose to synchronize. Which meant that it was very hard to compare the operations one to the other, and also, of course, very hard for the service managers to keep up to date of what's happening in their field. And that's really what we wanted to address at that time.